Pinegrow now includes an image editor that lets you edit any image with the help of the AI assistant. Select an image, and in the Properties panel, click the new Edit with AI button. This opens the AI image editor. On the right, you'll see a history of images, starting with the original. Below that is a text box where you can enter a prompt to describe the changes you want to make. For example, let's ask the AI to remove the worm's hands. Enter the instruction and click Generate Preview. Pinegrow uses the image model configured in the AI Assistant settings to process the request. As you can see, the hands were successfully removed. To use this new version, select it and click Done. The image on the page is immediately updated. If you reopen the editor, you'll see the image history is preserved. You can revert to a previous version to try different instructions or continue fine-tuning the current image. You can also add sketches to guide the AI. Click the pen icon to open the Paint editor. Let's draw a simple hat on the worm. Click Add to Prompt to include the annotated image as a reference. Now update the text prompt to say, "Worm should have a hat as annotated." Click Generate Preview again to see the result. The AI successfully added the hat based on the sketch. You can also use other images as references. Click the Reference Images icon and select Image Browser. Let's choose another image from our project. Now both images are included in the prompt. Let's instruct the AI to combine these two images, but show only one worm wearing a hat. Click Generate Preview. The output depends heavily on the precision of your prompt and the specific image model being used. You don't have to use the latest generated image. You can select any previous version from the history and click Done. In the Project panel, you'll find a folder named Draft Generated Images. This folder temporarily stores any images you generate but haven't yet applied to the page. Let's open the AI image editor again, select the image with the carrots, and click Done. Notice that Pinegrow automatically moves the used image from the Drafts folder into the main Generated Images folder. The generation history remains intact. While an image is still a draft, you can delete it using the trash icon. However, once an image is used in the project, it can no longer be deleted from the image editor. This tool provides a powerful and convenient way to fine-tune images directly within your website project. The AI model used for these edits is configured in the AI Assistant panel. Open the settings to ensure Generate Images is enabled and to select your preferred image model. This selected model is then used for all operations within the AI image editor.